This is Janique. I'm back to do another video, but this time is a response video to Hip Hop Blues. You asked about how you can record into Maschine, because I posted up a video of how you can record Reason. How you can connect Maschine and Reason. And one thing I failed to mention is that you need a DAW system to actually record, due to the fact that they're connected through MIDI, and both of them are MIDI based programs, and you need a DAW system that handles audio to record both of them together so that you can have it simultaneously in one track. But I'm assuming when you say audio into Maschine, you might want an artist or so forth to sing or rap over your beat. So I'm going to show you how easy it actually is to just drag and drop audio into a DAW system and then have a voice track and record like that, because you can't do Maschine like that because it's not a DAW system. So I'll show you how you can do that. I'm going to show you two ways. Either you can export the song, or you can just drag and drop it onto its own channel in your DAW. When I say DAW, I mean, you probably know it, but like systems like Logic, Pro Tools, Cubase, Digital Performer, such like that. If you don't have a DAW system and you want to record stuff, I think that you should invest in one. And let's get into it. So the first very easy way I'm going to show you is just simply exporting your song. And this is a beat I quickly did. So let's just go to Maschine. Have the beat. Sure nothing soloed. I didn't mix anything on this song, so it's just gonna be how it is. Alright. That's the beat right there. And I only have two scenes. So we're gonna go to File. File. And export audio. And this is the menu for it. So, sorry, my mouse is broken currently. You can pick whether you just want to export the range of the loop, whatever loop you have, if you just want to export that, or if you just want to export all your scenes, if you set your stuff up already, and you just want to put it on the CD. Say if you want to put it on a CD, or you just want to send that WAV file to somebody, you can do all the scenes. Then you can pick the destination. The destination is fine for mine. You can pick whether you want to normalize it, loop optimize, bit depth. Me, I always choose the highest because I'm going to use Switch or another program like that to compress it down to MP3, especially if I'm putting it on the internet. And then I'll press export. Now it might tell me I already have a song in there. I did. Okay. Okay. And then you can go into wherever you saved that file. I saved it here. I just made a second copy. You could just preview it. Nice there. Then you can go into whatever system you're using as your DAW. I'm using that you would use to record. I'm using Pro Tools, so open Pro Tools. Maybe a recent session. And I'm gonna just go to File. As soon as I get here, I'm gonna go to File, Import Audio, and you have to figure out where you put it. There, press Convert, done. I already had it set up before, but I'm gonna just do it again. And I want it to be on its own track. There it goes. To put a voice over it, you're gonna need a mono audio track. So then I'm gonna create that. And then you can just, wherever your mic is plugged in, chord enable, have your mic set up. Hello, hello, hello. I just got a regular SM57 set up. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Alright, it's recording in. And then you can just record it that way. That's the easiest way to do it. That's if you mix in everything within Maschine. Now I'm going to show you what you can do if you want to mix within your DAW system of your choice. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So I have the same session open. And I'm going to put that down for a little bit. And go back into Pro Tools. Something I already has set up. Yeah, we're just going to do it like that. Okay. Alright, so this is how I had something set up before, but if this is how we're just gonna do it. Let me create. I got two of those. Let me create a couple more. Alright, so you're gonna pick whether you want your audio to be in stereo or mono. Usually when I'm doing individual sound, I do it how you would record it in. And this may vary depending on what type of sound you're trying to get, because you typically, if you're thinking about when you record live instruments, you can record it with one microphone or many microphones. Me, simply, when I do electronic music, I'm real simplistic when it comes to it. If I have a group of all my drums together, usually I don't. I usually separate the bass and snare and so forth and mix them like that. But say if you did, I would use a stereo, because there's a lot of, you have the bass, snare, hi-hats, toms, and then you have your cymbals. So I would use individual tracks. But if I want to just do stereo, like how I'm going to show you here, I mean just the group, I'm going to do it in stereo. And this is perfect for if you already panned your stuff in Maschine, but you just want to bring it all over. It just makes sense just doing stereo. So that's why I have a stereo audio track set up for drums. Samples, same thing. If you want to do it like that, I have it in stereo. My instruments track, I meant to just name it, whether it's sax or so forth. And I'm going to just create another mono one. And we're going to I'm gonna name that one sax, and I'm gonna name this one bass. I'm just gonna quickly do this, and that's gonna be the voice track for me to record, and then drum, sample, sax, and I have more instruments set up in this, but I just wanna quickly show you. So I'm gonna show you, put down the mix window, and show you the edit. Okay. So those are my tracks. Right there. Okay. So then I go back into Maschine. Right. And I'm gonna start with the drums. So group B are my drums. And I don't know what version of Maschine you have, but if you have the newest version, It's as easy as you see these 4 arrows in a circle. Hold it down. Wait for this to finish. It's gonna tell you when you're able to drag it. Drag it over, and there we go. And that's just my first scene. So let's hear that. Things are pretty loud because I didn't mix nothing. Alright, that's just one scene for that. Just easy as just dragging it over, clicking, holding, dragging. That's it. Do the same thing for my samples. My samples are in group A. And this is just scene 1, so just hold it down. Drag it over once again. There you go. And alright, saxophone. The only thing that you do with this one, right? This is saxophone on what? Just going to solo saxophone and hold it down. Get over. Now it's gonna come up like that. A stereo, especially if you have another track underneath it. But what you can just do is delete one of them, and there you go, your saxophone by itself. And then I can pan this left to right. Alright, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for my bass. So I'm gonna solo the bass, hold it down. Solo once again. There you go. Excuse me if you can hear it, there's a helicopter passing by. And then just like I showed you before, you can just record the voice into it, and then there you go, and then you can mix and do whatever you do. If you want to add EQ this, as your EQ, and everything's set up in audio, and you would mix it like you would mix any other song if you were recording from live instruments or anything else. So you treat them like audio files. They're no more MIDI files. You just treat them like audio, and there you go. I hope I answered your question. If I still didn't answer your question, just tell me, and I'll do another response video for whatever you need. And thanks again for checking it out and checking out my page and leaving a comment.